On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 31 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we continue learning about the buildings. A factory is called 工厂. 工厂. A community hall is called 社区礼堂. 社区礼堂. A resort is called 娱乐场. 娱乐场. A boutique is called 精品店. 精品店. Now, let's review the words again. 工厂, 社区礼堂, 娱乐场, 精品店. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.